What's good, Pack Gang? We back. Gotta put the red bottoms on. Gotta put the red bottoms on to get ready for the Trizak. Oh. Now, with these, you need to install your hub centric wing. Get me a couple lug nuts ready. We got the bubble in. I don't know if you can see it. That goes towards the rim this side. Yes, sir. Still got the first wheel on. I gotta come back and torque it down. You know what I'm saying? That's what they look like on the car so far. And we gotta go over here, put this wheel on this side. So, set you guys up. Just like that, they all know. So I wanted to give y'all a close up. Need some brake pads for one. But these are the sway bar end links right here. Right here. Go down. Put it go down there. Right here. Got the grease fittings on mine. I zip tied this out the way so it wouldn't hit the wheel, just in case for safety measures. I've heard, you know, people tearing them up, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure I ain't had none of those issues. But yeah, like I said, this will a little light wheel off, short end links. So you gotta put the centric ring on here and throw the wheels on. Go ahead and get my lug nuts situated again, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. I probably need to figure out a way to keep these where I ain't gotta keep putting them on. That's like the only downfall to taking these wheels on and off. But I don't mind. Slightly. This is better than burning up street tires. For sure. But like I said, y'all, with these race stars, I don't know if you can see it, that's like a little bevel edge that goes towards the wheel, and the flat part goes against the acorn of the nut. Slap that in here like so. Another thing I wanted to show y'all about these wheels. You know, you need to see how it's off center right now. You need to slide it so it's centered. You know what I mean? That way you can get your bolts in the right way. Alright. So I got it centered. I'm about to put these bolts in and keep it moving. I just wanted to show y'all that. Quick tech tip. I know it's still a little off, but I'm trying to hold it with one hand and record for y'all. So, bet y'all gonna have to bear with me. Put the camera back up so I can finish putting this wheel on. Phone fell, y'all. All right, now that I got the wheels on, pretty much tightened up. About to torque them down. Torque them down. That's what you need to do every time you put on your lug nuts, man. Come back with a torque wrench. Yeah, boy. All right, we done, y'all. We done. So yeah, y'all got the red bottoms back engaged. Yes, sir. Looking good. So now I need to put some more air in them. I think they're a little low for my daily driving purposes. So yeah, that's my next little thing. About to do that right now. So, got the tires on, got them aired up. They're ready to go, torqued down. So, I appreciate y'all stopping with me, you know what I'm saying, to show y'all how I put my good old red bottoms on my Scat. And if this is your first time coming to the channel, make sure you go ahead and hit that good old subscribe button. Smash that notification bell so you know every time I drop the latest content, because it's always going to be something car related or family related, but mostly car stuff because I love cars, if you haven't realized that by now. So if you're a returning viewer, man, go ahead and hit that like button. Throw me some comments down there. Let me know what you think, what you want to see on the channel, what you think you might see next. You know, the weather's getting warm, so it's going to be a lot of racing, and that's what I'm trying to do. Race all summer. It's 2022. It's our year. So, I got to get out of here, man. Work day's over with. See all those parts back there. We're going to get back to it come Monday. So, I'm going to holler at y'all, man. Y'all have a great weekend, great weekday, all that. Stay out of trouble. Be safe. Make smart decisions. We out. Say bye, Blue. Or you can, don't worry about it. I'll say bye for y'all. Peace.